Sport bike riders, please stop riding around like the Lion King syndrome. Right, straight arms, chest out, and this is how you're riding around. All your weight is on your wrists, which limits your ability to turn or do much of anything. It's like broken arm syndrome. What you really want to do instead, because sport bikes are such an aggressive forward position, you gotta use your legs a whole lot more. Actively squeezing that tank, hold your lower body up against that bike nice and tight. That way your arms can be nice and bent and relaxed. A good report card is to have your inside of your forearm touching the gas tank. Right? No struts whatsoever. At any moment, you should be able to take off your hand. Say you're on cruise control, just be very, very light on the controls. I like to say playing the piano. If you're going in the direction, say you're going right, your right arm is bent, looking where you want to go. Chest and chin both facing the direction you want to go. You're going to left, same thing. But you absolutely do not want to ride around like this. So if I relax my legs, right, just kind of do whatever, all my weight's on my wrists, within 5 minutes, my wrist is gonna hurt, my back's gonna start hurting. I gotta try to go around like this and figure out a position that's comfortable while trying to ride. It's just, I see it all the time, right? Use your legs. Get your lower body clamped to the bike. That way you can move around, make whatever adjustments you want, but there should be no weight on your hands. The less you grip, the more control you have. The tighter you grip, the less control you have.